Good morning, students. Now let us see exercise 7.7, second question, second subdivision. First subdivision you can do by yourself, so that is homework. Now exercise 7.7, second subdivision, second question. Now it is given that f of x is equal to x log x. Here we have to asked to find out the local extremum by using second derivative test. So second derivative test use பண்ணி local extremum find out பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So first let us find the f dash of x is equal to, differentiate this, take this as u and v. So if y is equal to uv, y dash is equal to uv dash plus vu dash. Use that formula. So u na u அப்படியே x அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க. v is log x, இதை differentiate பண்ணா 1 by x. So x into 1 by x plus இப்போ v அப்படிங்கிற derivative அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க, log x, x differentiate பண்ணா 1. So f dash of x is equal to, now x get cancelled, so 1 plus 1 into log x is log x. To find the critical numbers, take f dash of x is equal to 0. So which implies 1 plus log x is equal to 0. Bring this 1 this side, so we get log x is equal to minus 1. Now write in exponential form, it is x is equal to e power minus 1. This can be written as 1 by e. So take x is equal to 1 by e as a critical point or critical number. Now find f double dash of x. So 1 plus log x இங்கிறது தான் f dash of x. இதை இன்னொரு தடவை differentiate பண்ணும்போது 1 differentiate பண்ணா 0 plus log x differentiate பண்ணா 1 by x. So f double dash of x is equal to 1 by x. Now substitute this x is equal to 1 by e. இந்த critical point எடுத்து இதில் substitute பண்ணணும். So f double dash of 1 by e is equal to 1 by, இந்த x க்கு பதிலா 1 by e. So இதை reciprocal எடுக்கும்போது we get e. So அந்த e இங்கிறது பாசிட்டிவ்ல இருக்கு, so greater than 0. Therefore it attain its minimum. Minimum value attain பண்ணுது அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். So minimum value reach பண்ணுது. Now we want to find the minimum value. So local minimum value. So take at x is equal to 1 by e is the critical point. இதை எடுத்து f of x ல substitute பண்ணணும். So f of 1 by e is equal to x into log x தான் f of x. இதில் x க்கு பதிலா 1 by e substitute பண்ணா 1 by e log x க்கு பதிலா 1 by e. Now we can write this as 1 by e log e power minus 1 அப்படின்னு இந்த 1 by e எழுதிக்குவோம். Now power rule use பண்ணோம்னா 1 by e, இந்த minus 1 இந்த side வந்துரும், log e. Now log e value is 1, so 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, so the value is minus 1 by e. So this is the local minimum value of the given function. So this is the local minimum value. Now third subdivision. Now third subdivision, f of x is equal to x square into e power minus 2x. As usual take the first derivative. So f dash of x is equal to, இதை u இதை v ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So u அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க. v differentiate பண்ணா e power minus 2x differentiate பண்ணா minus 2 into e power minus 2x. So u v dash over plus vu dash, v na e power minus 2x அப்படியே வச்சுப்போம். x square differentiate பண்ணா 2x. Now take the common factor out. 2x and e power minus 2x is common. So 2x e power minus 2x is common. Balance. இங்க 2 வெளியே வந்துருச்சு, e power minus 2x வெளியே வந்துருச்சு. So இங்க ஒரு minus balance, இங்க ஒரு x வெளியே வந்துருச்சு, so ஒரு x balance. So minus x. இங்க e power minus 2x and 2x everything comes out, so balance 1. So we can take this as f dash of x. If it is f dash of x is equal to 0, which implies 2x e power minus 2x into 1 minus x is equal to 0. We can take this 2x is equal to 0 and e power minus 2x equal to 0 and 1 minus x is equal to 0. So which implies 2x e power minus 2x equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 0. And 1 minus x is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. So these are the critical numbers. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So these are the critical numbers. Now let us find f double dash of x. For that you take this as u, v, w. Now at first I want to write f of x is equal to, that is y. Y is equal to u, v, w. Therefore y dash is equal to u, v, w, u dash v, w plus u, v dash w plus u, v, w dash is the formula. Now let us use this here. F double dash of x is equal to, take u, v, w. So u dash v, w. Appa u na 2x. 2x differentiate panna 2. V and w அப்படியே எழுதிக்கலாம். So e power minus 2x into 1 minus x அப்படியே எழுதிக்கலாம். Plus u, v dash w. u அப்படியே எழுதிக்கலாம். v differentiate panna minus 2 e power minus 2x. w அப்படியே எழுதிக்கலாம் 1 minus x. And then plus u, v, w dash. So u, v அப்படியே எழுதிக்குவோம் 2x e power minus 2x. w differentiate panna, x differentiate panna minus 1, 1 differentiate panna 0. So it is minus 1. Now take all the common factors out. What are the common factors? E power minus 2x எல்லாத்துலயும் இருக்கு. So and then ஒரு 2 வந்து காமனா இருக்கு. So 2 e power minus 2x is common. 1 minus x is not here. So now take the common factor out. Here the common factor is 2 e power minus 2x is the common factor. So balance here 2 e power minus 2x goes out. So balance 1 minus x. And here 2 e power minus 2x goes out. So balance minus 2x. Take here minus 2x into 1 minus x. So whole is a factor. Plus is a one term. And 2 e power minus 2x goes out. Here only 1 minus x is balance. So if I solve this, 2 e power minus 2x, 1 minus x, minus 2x into 1 is minus 2x, minus minus plus 2x into x is 2x square minus x. So if I arrange this and I can write minus 2x, minus x, add all these 3, then I am getting, we are getting minus 4x. So 2x square minus 4x plus 1. So I can write f double dash of x is equal to 2 e power minus 2x, 2x square minus 4x plus 1. Now this is the derivation, second derivation, f double dash of x. Now I want to substitute these critical numbers here to find whether it is attained its local maximum or minimum. Now at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, f double dash of 0 equal to 2 e power 0, 2 into 0 minus 4 into 0 plus 1. So which is equal to e power 0 is 1, 1, 2 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So which is greater than 0, which attains its minimum. Then at x is equal to 1, f double dash of 1 is equal to 2 e power minus 2. 2 into 1 is 1. 2 into minus 1, sorry, plus 1 the whole square minus 4 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 e power minus 2. 2 minus 4 plus 1 is minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So which is minus 2 e power minus 2. So which is less than 0. So which attain its maximum value. Now we want to find local maximum and minimum value. Local maximum value at maximum value inga irukku. So at x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to, what is f of x? X square into e power minus 2x. So 1 square into e power minus 2 into 1. So which is equal to e power minus 2, which is equal to 1 by e square is the maximum value. Now local minimum value at x is equal to 0. Therefore f of 0 equal to 0 into e power 0, which is equal to 0 is the local minimum value. Now let us go to the next question. Now question number 3. For the function f of x is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 6x plus 1, find the intervals of monotonicity, local extrema, intervals of concavity and points of inflection. So 7.6 and 7.7 what we have studied. So it's a summary. So we have to do all those things. So let me take f of x is equal to. So what it is given, 4x cube plus 3x square minus 6x plus 1. For this function, find the intervals of monotonicity. First find the intervals of monotonicity and local extrema. So to find monotonicity and local extrema. So this first derivative test is helpful for us. So for that, first take this question into two division. First one is monotonicity and local extrema. The next one is concavity and point of inflection. Now f of x, first find f dash of x is equal to, so differentiate panna x cube, differentiate panna 3x square, 3 4s are 12, 12x square plus x square differentiating, it is, we are getting 2x, 2 into 3 6, 6x minus x differentiating 1, so minus 6 into 1 is minus 6, 1 differentiate panna 0. And here I can take 6 as a common factor. So 6 வெளியே எடுத்தோம்னா 2x square plus x minus 1. So if I take f dash of x is equal to 0, which implies 6 into 2x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. So it's a quadratic equation. If I find the factors, factorization minus 2 and 1. So 1, 2 is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. I want to get plus 1 here. So minus 1. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. 1, 1. X, x. So 2x minus 1 a factor and x plus 1 a factor. So I can get 6 into 0 is 0. 0 by 6 is 0. So x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to minus 1. So these are the critical numbers. So x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Now take a number line. Minus infinity to plus infinity. So minus 1 and 1 by 2. So these are the intervals. So what are the intervals we are getting here? minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to infinity. Now let us check the monotonicity, whether it is increasing or decreasing. So first take the intervals. Minus infinity comma minus 1. The next one is minus 1 comma 1 by 2. The next one is 1 by 2 comma infinity. So there are 3 intervals. Now we want to check if dash of x is attaining its positive or negative. So we want to check a sign of f dash of x. So which is equal to 6 into 2x minus 1 into x plus 1. So write this function like this. And the next one is monotonicity. Now take a sample point in this gap, minus infinity to minus 1, say minus 2 as a sample point. If I take minus 2 here, so 6 into 2 into minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 plus 1. So it is minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Here it is into minus 1. So minus minus plus positive. And then take minus 1 to 1 by 2. So it is half. So I can take 0 as a sample point. Say x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, it becomes 0 minus 1, 6 into minus 1 into plus 1. So minus plus minus. And 1 by 2 kapram, say 1 by 2 kapram, say 1 kuda eduthukalam. 1. So if x is equal to 1, so 6 into 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So positive, we are attaining positive. So here I can write it is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. Here it is strictly decreasing. It is strictly increasing. So the first point over, to find the monotonicity. So monotonicity find out பண்ணியாச்சு. Strictly increasing or decreasing. Now we want to find the local extrema, whether it is attaining its maximum or minimum. When x is equal to minus 1 இருக்கும்போது the curve is increasing to positive to minus sign க்கு change ஆயிருக்கு. There is a change. F dash of x is changing. So it attains its local maximum. So maximum value find out பண்றதுக்கு minus 1 எடுத்து f of x ல substitute பண்ணணும். Now let me write one by one. Number 1. Now when x is equal to minus 1, f dash of x changes its sign from positive to negative. Therefore, it attains its maximum. So maximum value at x is equal to minus 1. That is f of minus 1 is equal to. So f of x la minus 1 substitute பண்ணணும். So 4 into minus 1 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 the whole square minus 6 into minus 1 plus 1. So f of minus 1 is equal to. So it is the odd power. So it is getting its minus sign. So minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. It is the even power. So it becomes positive. So 1 into 3 is 3 plus 3 minus minus plus 6 plus 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So it is maximum value. So x comma f of x is equal to minus 1 comma 6. So it is the maximum value. Now we want to find the next minimum value, that is when x is equal to 1 by 2, f dash of x changes its sign from negative to positive. நெகட்டிவ்ல இருந்து பாசிட்டிவ்க்கு போகுது. So it attain its minimum. மினிமம்க்கு போயிருக்கு. So it attain its minimum. So to find the minimum value at x is equal to 1 by 2. So f of 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into x cube நருக்கு. So 1 by 2 the whole cube. So 4 into 1 by 2 the whole cube plus 3 into x square இருக்கு. So plus 3 into 1 by 2 the whole square minus 6 into 1 by 2 plus 1. It is 4 into 1 by 2 the whole cube. So 1 by 2 the whole cube is 1 by 8. 2 power 3 is 8. So 4 into 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 4 minus 6 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Now if I calculate this, it is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. And if I take LCM 4, so here it is 2. Cross multiply 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 1 is 2. 4 is here. So take 3. Take this as minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. So minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3 by 4. So this is the minimum value. So minus 3 by 4 is the minimum value. So one part we finished here, finding monotonicity and local extremum. To find monotonicity, take the function and differentiate one time. Equate into 0, we are getting critical numbers. Take the critical numbers in a number line. So we get the intervals 1, 2, 3, 3 intervals. So write in a table and find the sign of f dash of x. For that, take a sample point between the intervals and apply that points in the f dash of x. We are getting positive or negative sign. So hence we are getting whether the curve is quickly increasing or decreasing. And here when x is equal to minus 1, the curve changes its positive to negative. That is attain its maximum. Maximum க்கு போயிட்டு அப்புறம் change ஆகுது. So maximum value. இந்த maximum value find out பண்றதுக்கு x is equal to minus 1 எடுத்து f of x ல substitute பண்ணா we are getting 6. So local maximum value is 6. And when x is equal to 1 by 2, the curve is changing. It's a negative sign to positive sign. So it attains its minimum. To find the minimum value, take x is equal to 1 by 2 in f of x. We are getting minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 is its minimum value. Now let us go to the second part. Second part, we want to find the concavity and the point of inflection. Now the question is f of x is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 6x plus 1. Now we want to find the concavity and the point of inflection. Now this is the second part. For that, first to find f dash of x is equal to the same way 12x square plus 6x minus 6 plus 0. And then take f double dash of x is equal to 0. See, f double dash of x is equal to. So 24x plus 6. 6 differentiate panna 0. So if I take 6 as a common factor, so it is 4x plus 1. If it is f double dash of x is equal to 0, which implies 6 into 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So which implies x is equal to minus 1 by 4. So x is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now take this in a number line. Only one point we have got here. So minus infinity plus infinity minus 1 by 4. Only two intervals. Now take these two intervals in a table. To find the concavity, second derivative test is helpful. So in the minus infinity comma minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 comma infinity. These are the two intervals. Now we want to find the sign of f double dash of x. F double dash of x is 6 into 4x plus 1. Is equal to 6 into 4x plus 1. Now find the concavity. Now we want to take a sample point here. So minus 1 by 4. Minus infinity to minus 1 by 4. See, 1 by 4 means it is less than minus 1. So I can take minus 1 as sample point. So when x is equal to minus 1, f double dash of x, which implies 6 into 4 into minus 1 plus 1. So is equal to 6. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So minus 18. So negative. We are getting the negative sign here. And the next one is minus 1 by 4 to infinity. See, I can take 1 as a sample point, or I can take 0 kuda eduthukkalam. So 0. When x is equal to 0, 6 into 4 into 0 plus 1. So which is equal to 6. So positive sign. When it is negative, we can write it as concave down. Concave downward. If it is positive, we can write it is concave upward. Now we can write the curve. The curve is concave down in the interval minus infinity comma minus 1 by 4. The same way the curve is, or the curve has its or is concave upward, concave up in minus 1 by 4 comma infinity. So we have only one point. So at x is equal to minus 1 by 4, we have to find the point of inflection. Now point of inflection. So only one change is there. So minus 1 by 4 la mattumna change irukku. So at x is equal to minus 1 by 4. So f of minus 1 by 4 is equal to. Now we want to find f of minus 1 by 4. Let me write here. 4x cube. F of x la substitute pananum. So 4 into minus 1 by 4 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 6 into minus 1 by 4 plus 1. So it has its odd number power, so it attains its minus sign. 4 power 3 is 64. So minus 4 by 64. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Here it is the even power, so it gets its positive sign. So 3 by 16. 4 4s are 16. Minus minus plus 6 by 4 plus 1. Now take LCM, 64 as LCM. Now we got 64 here, so minus 4. 16 4s are 64, 4 3s are 12. 4 into 16, so 16 6 are 96 plus 96 plus 64 plus 64. Now add all these numbers. So it is 64 minus 4, 60, 72, 78, 168 by 64. So 168 by 64. Then if I take to cancel to 8 table, it is 2 times 1 time 8 times. 8 8s are 64. 8 table cancel பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So 21 by 8. So the point of inflection is equal to x க்கு என்ன எடுத்திருக்கோம் minus 1 by 4 comma 21 by 8 is the point of inflection is the answer. So first partல monotonicity க்கு f dash of x எடுத்து சால்வ் பண்ணோம். concavity find out பண்ணும்போது second derivative test எடுத்து செக் பண்றோம். இங்க f double dash of x is equal to 0 போட்டு பாயிண்ட்ஸ் எடுத்தா போதும். monotonicity find out பண்ணும்போது f dash of x எடுத்து செக் பண்ணா போதும். Thank you all.